Hello everyone. Many students study very hard whole year. They understand the concepts in detail, but still they end up getting less marks in the exams. The main reason for this is that they don't revise effectively during the exam. So if you want to know how you can plan your revision for the best outcome, then do watch this video till the end. Because in this video we are going to tell you 5 important tips on how you can plan your revision so that you can score good marks in the exams. Let's start. Tip number 1. Figure out the time you have to study. If you have a few days left for the exam, then start planning your revision accordingly. You can plan on how much time to allot to each subject and revise accordingly. Don't just start revising without considering the time you have for your exams. This means if you have more time, then allot more time for revisions, and if you have less time, then focus more on revising important topics and allot less time for other topics. Tip number 2. Prioritize your subjects. Many students find some subjects difficult or boring, and due to that, majority of the students avoid revising these subjects and focus only on subjects they find interesting. If you also do this, then stop doing this mistake, as you can lose marks in those subjects and thus can affect your overall score. So prioritize the subjects you find difficult and allot specific time to revise the subjects. Tip number 3. Break subjects into topics. When you start studying a subject, break it down into certain topics and focus more on important topics. Also, for better understanding, don't forget to understand the basics of the topic. Tip number 4. Set realistic goals. If you plan to revise 10 to 20 topics in an hour, then it may not be possible for everyone. Maybe it is possible for your friend to achieve this target because he knows the topic very well, and maybe you haven't understood it properly, or you find the subject difficult or boring, due to which you may require more time to revise the concepts. So set achievable goals. Know your capabilities and make a revision timetable accordingly. Tip number 5. Group revision. Select a chapter from a subject and start discussing with it a group. Once done, tell every group member to ask questions to everyone in such a way that every group member will get a chance to answer the question. Doing this fun activity will help you to remember information quickly and for a longer period of time. So these were the 5 tips that will help you to revise properly and score good marks in the exams. Also, if you wish to know what are the habits of toppers, then click on this video.